welcome to my channel. My name is Shelly and today I am showing you what I am packing in my carry-on for me and a 15-month-old for a 5-hour flight. So if you want to know my top essentials, keep on watching. Okay, so before we get into it, if you are new here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you're notified of when I upload. I upload twice a week and I love to give cleaning motivation, any tips that I have as a first-time mom. You know, I just think we need to have this community. But without further ado, let's get into the real reason why you're here, and that's to find out what to pack your toddler when you are going on a plane. So, first things first is snacks. Now, I'm probably going to be putting some also in my boyfriend's carry-on as well because this is quite full. I was going to do a backpack or his diaper bag, but this guy had to be the one because there's just so much. I have some pouches in here. I have like 3 or 4 pouches in here, just like ones with superfoods. I didn't want to pack ones that have a ton of fiber in them because I want to eliminate as many explosions as I can, if you know what I mean. Also got these for me and the boyfriend, just some Twizzlers. I have never seen the watermelon flavor, so I'm excited to try that. And then I found like a big case at Winco of a bunch of these little goldfish bags. I'm debating, because you know the air is in here so it takes up more room. I think I'm going to put them in Ziploc bags and just like suck the air out of them because I think it'll store better, more efficiently, and save more room. So I need to bag these up as well, just like I have with these. I also have granola bars or Nutri-Grain bars. They're from the brand Sunbelt. I really like them. My boyfriend doesn't, but me and my son like them, so he can have whatever else we have. But I have blueberry and strawberry or raspberry, and I have a few of each in there. Now our first flight, our connecting flight is about 2 hours long. And then we're flying to Hawaii, which is going to take, we're flying from San Francisco. So that's going to take about 5 to 6 hours. This is his first time ever traveling. And he is like the wildest child I've ever met. Like, he is so busy, has to be into everything, especially what he's not supposed to, and he just wants to run. So I'm really nervous, but he also, I think he'll be fine as long as I bring things to get his brain working. So that was kind of my goal. Oh my gosh, I'm already breaking the zipper. So I did go to the dollar store and bought some toys. This one I'm just going to talk about because it's on the top. It's just a little dinosaur. They have a ton of cool toys from the dollar store. Next on my list is headphones. This should be number 1. If you saw my last video of how to pack for Hawaii, if you haven't, I'll link it below and it's in the iCard above. Headphones are a must for everybody on a plane. They're a must. They cancel out noise, they keep your kids occupied. It's just great. So I'm also bringing these that I have left over from flights years ago for the person next to us, just in case, because I ain't dealing with it. And then I got these cute little guys. I got little Sunbelt or sailboats on the side, but they fit perfectly with him and they'll grow with him. So he'll be able to keep these for as long as he keeps them okay. Hopefully he doesn't break them. I did want to get the cordless one, but we're just rolling with it. I'm just gonna pull these out as they come, but these are my headphones. I have Bluetooth ones with the charger, and then I have just regular. Never have enough. I have my Kindle Fire with the case. I downloaded some stuff on Amazon Prime, some games, some of his like songs that he loves with the video, and so that is like a must. I'm gonna bring it out towards the end. I'm gonna try and exhaust all other options before giving him screen time because I don't give him a lot of it to begin with, and I don't want to create a bad habit. Plus, that's when tantrum tantrums happen, is when you have to take it away. Next, is definitely overnight diapers. I figure because they'll help keep him drier for longer, so I won't have to change as many diapers, you know, within a reasonable amount. I'm so terrified to change him on the plane. So I brought these, and then, you know, I have to just overpack. These are just regular diapers because you don't know if your luggage is going to get lost, or if it's going to take forever at the rental car, or you can't make it to the store. So we're going to buy more diapers when we get there. And then I got this travel size. This has 18 wipes in it. I just got it from Dollar Tree. And then I'm also going to bring more wipes, whatever we have left over, until we leave, because it's in a couple days. So I'm bringing hypoallergenic antibacterial wipes. I just got these at Winco. They were on like a really good deal. So there's like a ton in here that will help with anything that we're doing. So especially the plane and the airports, I'm dousing it all down. I'm gonna be that mom. I don't care. Next I found is my socks. My feet always get cold on the plane, but I am bringing sandals. And then also, especially if you guys are going somewhere where there is a beach and it's hot, definitely get one of these like Hydro Flasks. So this one's totally knockoff brand. It's called True Flask, but it stays cold for up to 24 hours and hot for up to 12 hours. These are amazing for the beach. You're putting your drinks in the hot sand. I wanted somewhere that I can keep his milk cold. And I love that it has this handle on it. So it's just really, I recommend these. It was only $10 at Winco. If you have a Winco near you, why aren't you shopping there? So I just really love these. We have these, which are, I'm not opening them up because they're so hard to get back in, as this one's all crazy. But they are covers for your car seat and your stroller so that you can gate check them. And if you have these bags, it just helps protect them. There is like one strap that goes diagonal across. I wish there are more out there that have the backpack straps. We just didn't want to spend that extra money. Birth certificates. Now for his activities, I bought a Magnadoodle. Go to Dollar Tree before you spend $15, $10-15 on a Magnadoodle, because they're like the perfect size at the Dollar Tree and they're only $1. But this one was like $9-10 bucks. So it has a place for the pen, it has a handle, it's Fisher Price. It should last us a long time, so that's good. I also, at the Dollar Tree, picked up some books for him. This one's just like a cute pop-up book that he will love. And then I wanted to do this one that says things that go in the air and sea, because we'll be in the air and at the sea. So he can identify like, oh, I'm on an airplane. Oh, we're going on a boat. I know what that is. So it has realistic pictures. I thought that was really cute. Books are great from the Dollar Tree. Next, I got this at Target. This is one of the mess-free coloring books. So the markers that come with it, so this was $9 for both. So it's $5 for each separately. It's kind of crazy, but they're mess-free markers, so they're not going to get everywhere. It only colors the page. So see, it's a white tip, nothing. When you put it on the page, it'll show color on the page. So whoever was that genius to create that, thank you so much. Next, for activities, I just got this cute little activity set. It's like ocean theme. This is from the Target Dollar Spot. They have great stuff for traveling with kids. Always check that out in the Dollar Tree before you go and spend a ton of money. But this is cute. It just, they're where you can like dress them up. I don't know. But he can match the colors. And this is so cute. So today I feel, and then you just move it around. That's adorable. And I'm breaking it. It's fine. And it already comes in like a Ziploc bag in the packaging. So you don't even have to waste your own. You just throw away the cardboard piece, and then you're good to go. With all of your bags, all of your plastic baggies, you need to suck all of the air out of them. It'll help you a ton. So next, I found this idea on a blog, and I don't remember which one, but I found it on Pinterest. And basically, so you can individually wrap a small toy and like buy 10 toys. However long your flight is, just buy however many of how often you want to give them the presents. So you individually wrap them or have them pull out this baggie, and it's like their prize for being good for that 30 minutes or an hour or however long. And I did, so if you're extra good, you know, then you get 2 presents. So there's flashcards that I found at the Dollar Tree that do colors and shapes. He's gonna love those. And then these little, I got the little cars and airplanes, or trucks and airplanes from Target Dollar Spot. Flight is about 5 to 6 hours, so every hour I am going to bring out one of these toys for him with like a snack or something, just to keep him occupied. Or I'll do like every hour do a toy, every half, and then every half hour do like a snack or something. I'm not sure. There's more snacks, so these are more for me. These, I'm gonna empty all these out and put them in the bags individually so that I don't have all of this air. And then I got these trail mix from the dollar store, which if you know trail mix, they're expensive, and dried fruit. So check out the Dollar Tree. But this will be good because my son can eat these too. Got these Ritz Bits with peanut butter, so that'll be a good snack for him. Also dumping these out, and then gum for me. And you will see in my pack with me video that I'm filming later today, it'll be, it's either already, I don't know which order I'm putting these in, but this is one of the organizers that I got for my suitcase. I wanted to make sure I had one for the plane. Put in a baggie, it's the Baby Ganix hand sanitizer. I did some gas drops because you never know what that air pressure is going to do to their little tummies. Dramamine for me because I'm a wuss. I have to take that if I'm doing anything. And then some Motrin. I'll also put his Tylenol in here as well. He's already teething and his ears get messed up when he's teething. So I'm like, please. He's not old enough to take Benadryl, so we'll see how it goes. Just like one of these rags. This is actually supposed to be like a disposable diaper. It's so thin, but there's that. And then his change of clothes. I brought a romper and a tank top and a t-shirt. So I probably need to put like a pair of shorts in here as well. But that is what is in here. I feel like I'm forgetting things. But I'm obviously also going to have my wallet, my phone. I'm not bringing my laptop. I just won't need it. We're already having a Kindle and we'll have our phones. It's not necessary. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I might bring, I'm going to bring him like a light jacket as well. But we'll probably just carry that with us through TSA and everything. So, okay, so now I'm going to put all of this back in and hope it fits again. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope these tips were helpful. Let me know if I'm forgetting anything and what you would recommend. Let's just help everybody out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you liked it, and I will see you in the next one, probably for our Hawaii vlog. I don't know, stay tuned. Make sure your bell is turned on. Bye guys.